Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the best consumer products out there. Today, we're talking about the best hair dye in the ammonia-free, permanent color category, the Revlon ColorSilk with Bond Repair Complex in shade 10 Black. This is more than just a hair color, it's a full-on hair transformation system packed into a tiny box. If you're looking for salon-quality results at home, especially with 100% gray coverage and zero ammonia, this one might just be your holy grail. Let's start with what this product is all about. The Revlon ColorSilk with Bond Repair Complex is a permanent hair dye that delivers vibrant, long-lasting color without the harsh effects of ammonia. It comes in a convenient pack of 3, so you're stocked up whether you touch up often or like to share. What sets it apart is the advanced formula that not only colors your hair but actually works to repair it from the inside out. That's thanks to a combination of Bond Repair Complex and vegan keratin fillers. Now here's the real magic. The formula is ammonia-free, which means no harsh smell, no sting on the scalp, and a gentler coloring experience overall. But it goes beyond that. It includes Bond Repair Complex that helps rebuild the internal structure of your hair, reducing damage from previous coloring or heat styling. Then, you've got the vegan keratin fillers that work to smooth the cuticle, leaving your hair silkier and stronger. In fact, Revlon claims it leads to up to 98% less breakage and up to 94% more silkiness compared to uncolored hair. After just one application, users report their hair looking shinier, up to 9 times shinier, and feeling significantly softer. This black shade, number 10, is deep, rich, and intense, making it perfect for full coverage, especially over gray hair. And yes, it gives you 100% gray coverage, so no need to worry about those silver strands peeking through. Plus, the color lasts up to 8 weeks, maintaining its vibrancy throughout. Applying the color is super simple. Everything you need is in the box: colorant, developer, after-color conditioner, gloves, and instructions. The no-drip liquid formula makes it easy to work through all hair types and textures, whether you have fine straight strands or coily curls. It's a mess-free experience designed for home use, even for beginners. Even with shipping and import charges for international buyers, it still lands cheaper than multiple visits to the salon. And it's widely available on Amazon, so you can grab it anytime, delivered straight to your door. So if you're looking for a permanent, ammonia-free hair dye that not only colors but actively repairs your hair, Revlon ColorSilk with Bond Repair Complex in 10 Black might just be the product to beat. This is Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest breakdowns of the products you care about. Catch you in the next one.